Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 6th of April. And first of all, national news. References to Babri Masjid, Gujarat riots, dropped in NCERT school textbooks. Heat wave in next 2 days, significant rain in some areas, weather office. India to export essential goods to Maldives despite strained ties, a report said. 2014 to 24 was just an appetizer. Prepare for the main course, PM Modi. As RBI buys several tons of gold, Governor says India building reserves. False ads, trafficking scams, centers advisory on fake jobs in Cambodia. Supreme Court rejected petition on gap for civil servants to contest elections. And now some international news. US welcomed Israel moves on Gaza aid. Proof is in the results. Iceland's prime minister resign will run for president. UN human rights body calls for halt to shipment of weapons to Israel as concerns mount. Indonesian cabinet ministers denied claims by losing presidential candidates of misused government aid. Kuwait opposition kept parliament majority after vote. And now some sports news. Mumbai Indians received huge Surya Kumar Yadav boost amid poor IPL run. 9 executive council members asked unauthorized persons not to enter headquarters. Indian men's hockey team ready for Australia challenge ahead of Paris Olympics. India recorded highest percentage in World Anti-Doping Agency's offenders list. Business related news. Crude oil futures gain on spot demand. RBI retained GDP growth projection at 7% for financial year 25. RBI kept short term lending rate unchanged at 6.5%. RBI differs exchange traded currency derivatives norms. And food price uncertainties to weigh on inflation trajectory, RBI retained financial year 25 forecast at 4.5%. Sensex gained marginally to scale new peak after RBI policy decision. And that's all in news. Thank you.